quite an interesting team to watch this season. From the play from Equity, Black Mamba, all the way here to Kenyan University. They are really gathering support along the way, and they are going to quite a lot.
We have Peter Owido from Germany.
Oh, he
plays
nice.
Professional handball in Germany, and he is asking for the scores.
Scores are currently 6-10, 6 for the Kenyan University Hybrids, 10 for Strathmore Tornadoes. Guys in red.
Yes.
Nice reflexes from the cat, brand good. Nice reflexes.
Remember, right after this match, we are bringing you the Equity Handball Club versus Black Mamba, who are currently based in Kaloleni, Jogoo Road. We're bringing you the match live courtesy of Cherus Sportswear. And we are taking all the data and the statistics in the Cherus Pulse platform, just to ensure that every player is recognized, every player is seen. So,
nice pass! What a lovely pass from Joe Spring to Alex. Alex, with the finish there, really gets them going.
We talked about this thing on Sando.
Yeah.
For your information, is the guy from Nyaribariba Tate.
Jersey number 12 for the boys in green.
Yes, he's got a nice connection. Niliweka DMD na stream nayo. So yeah, of course that is a goal scoring chance. And Willis Semi races back to defense. Albeit he's alone. So Steve Adego says yes, that's a goal scoring chance. And he gives the first 7 meter of the game to Strathmore University. And the player we talked about, Philip, gives the ball to Tony Aweyo. He just got into the mix.
Tony has been quite impressive this season, almost having saves for his first penalties. Today, not quite for today.
So 20 minutes played.
Scores 8-12. Boys in green are catching up to the scores 5-0.
So we see the guy from Kirinyaga, Ellis Mudoni, taking the defense, but the other teammates don't reciprocate the same. Yes, and Eshton Situma slams on past Brian Odogi to take the score tally.